Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Tech Skills. Today we will discuss about the changing of the background color of a photo in the PowerPoint. It's very easy to change the color of the background in the PowerPoint without using Adobe Photoshop, and how is it possible? That will be done and discussed in today's tutorial. So let's start. Have a look at this picture. There is a background at the back. So first of all, in order to change the color of the background, you have to remove the background from it. For this purpose, you will double click on the picture and then go to remove background option. Then there are two options, mark areas to remove and mark areas to keep. Now I will select mark areas to keep and I will move to this area that I want to keep this area. Now there is still some area which is remaining. For this purpose I will move now the background color is in the pink. Now remember that anything in the pink, when you want to remove the background, that will be removed, and anything which is apart from the pink color, that will remain in your picture. So be careful. In order to remove the background, make sure that the background is completely in the pink, and whatever you want to remain in the picture, that should be not in the pink. Now once you have done, then go to keep changes and click over it. I have already changed the background. Now this background is in the yellow color. Now again I want to change the color of this background. Now what you have to do to change the color of the background, just select the picture, then go to the color option which is at the top left. Then there are picture color options. Click over here. Then this preset will open in front of you, that is format picture. Now there are certain other corrections. You want to change the color tone of the picture, you want to change the brightness, etc. But for this tutorial we are not going to discuss anything. We are just going to fill and line. Click over it, then fill. There is solid fill. It is already on the no fill, but you have to convert it into the solid fill, and whatever the color you want at the background, you can apply that color. For example, I want to take this color and the color of the background is changed. You want another color, like I want white background, then it should be converted into white. I want a red background, then it will be converted into a red background. It's that much easy that you have to change the color, remove the background, and then change the color of the background in the PowerPoint. There is no need to go to Photoshop for such minute changes. Now if I want to remove this extra area from my picture, just double click over here, then go to crop, and after crop option you can adjust the size of your picture, that the extra area you want to remove, that should be decreased, and that's up to you how much area you want to decrease from your picture. For example, I want that this complete area should be vanished up from this picture. Now that's it. Again click over crop, and now the picture is resized into this small picture. For example, I am going to take another example of this picture, and I want to change the background and change the background color as well. So I will just click over here and go to mark areas to keep. For some time, if you drag this square, it will automatically remove all the areas from the background. Now the hair is remaining. I want the hair should be in the picture, so I will just drag this cursor over here. Now there are certain areas which should remain in your picture, like this one. Now I want these areas to remain in my picture. There may be some discrepancies in it, like the sides of the head, there are still some edges which are remaining. So for this purpose you can zoom it and then observe it properly, that what are remaining, and then go to background, then mark areas to remove, and you will just remove this area. Now look at this place. Now anything which is apart from the head or the hair of this lady. I want to remove these. So for this purpose, proper zooming is required. After zooming, you will be able to see the changes. Now if you observe, there is some hairs are remaining, so I want to keep the hair, so I will just drag over here, and thus it will remain. Right, now I want to keep these changes, and that's it. Anything apart from the picture that has been removed, now in this way you can change the background of the picture. It's very easy, and you can use the PowerPoint for changing the background, the color of the background, and not only the color of the background, but you can put a small picture without the background or another picture, and that will be discussed in the next tutorial. For now it's enough. If you like the video, then comment, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.